I am Ignacio. Today we're going to Deep Creek Hot Springs. This time we're going through Bowen Ranch. First part, you will have to drive about 5 miles on this dirt road. This is in Apple Valley, California. Many of the hiking trails in Angeles National Forest are not available right now. Follow me and I'll show you where to hike. By the way, if you lost anything or everything through those fires, I am very sorry for your loss. Once you get to Bowen Ranch, they will charge you $10 per person to get through because it's private property. They have restrooms if you want to use them. It's been a while since I went hiking. Last time I went, it was December 5th, so this is my first video of 2025. Happy New Year, by the way. Let's go that way. Today's hike is about 4 miles total with an elevation gain of about 900 feet. The first part, we're gonna go downhill, so I recommend that you save energy for the way back. In about 10 minutes into the hike, you will find another trail coming from the left. Pay attention to this intersection, because on the way back, you don't want to end up going that way. And soon after, you're going to find another intersection. This one, we're going to go to the left for a few yards and then to the right. Once you get to this sign, all you have to do is follow the trail. It will take you down all the way to the creek. Subscribe to the channel and activate that little bell. That way you won't miss any of my adventures. Thank you so much for your support. I highly recommend that you bring hiking boots because you will find a couple spots that are slippery and steep. Please be careful. The trail we're hiking today is the shortest and the most popular, but you have to pay. If you don't want to pay, there's 2 more options. One is called the Bradford Ridge, which is about 5 miles and 1,300 feet of elevation coming from Trailhead Lake, that way. And there's another one that is the Pacific Crest Trail. It's about 13 miles, and I'm planning to return in the springtime to make a video of that one. Click on the links to watch them. Once you reach the creek, you go to the left for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then you will find the hot springs. To get to it, you have to cross the creek. Right now, it's doable. It is about 2 feet deep on the part where you can cross, but if you come in a rainy season, it might be too dangerous to do so. Please wait and come back another time.
Look at this, people. It's beautiful. And the people you find on the trail, it's you never know. Say hi to the Lone Hiker. He has an amazing YouTube channel too.
Check out the Lone Hiker on YouTube.
Many of the places that I've been to, I discovered them through his channel, so he gets a lot of credit. Thank you so much, Alex. On my way out, I noticed this rock that looks like a dog. What do you think? I love hiking to hot springs, especially when it's cold. And this is a clip from one of my favorite hiking trips to hot springs. Have you watched this video yet? Do you know what it is? Click on the link on top of the screen to watch the video with all the information. felt so good to be back on the trail, feeling the sunshine on my face, soaking on the hot springs. It was a very much needed dose of nature. Thank you so much for watching. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen to keep watching my work.